Hey, I had to step out here because I've seen some videos about this winter storm, and I was out here with shorts on and a t-shirt shoveling snow. I got a coat and a wrap on my head because I got out the shower. But this some bullshit. And the reason why I say this some bullshit is because I'm down here in Tennessee, Middle Tennessee to be exact. And we got snow. I'm gonna turn it around. Well, we got snow, we got ice, we got all that shit. We do. But nothing too crazy because I'm from Chicago. To me, this is light work. Not what I anticipated, but yeah, we got snow and we got ice. We did not go crazy at the grocery store. We didn't go to the grocery store at all. We ain't got no water, no extra out the ordinary type shit. We ate what we had at the crib. So I don't know what our shelves looking like, but I do know that here where I'm at, we go into a frenzy and start buying up stuff. So I can imagine what the shelves is looking like. I be taking my son to work and Walmart still thriving. So everything must not be totally gone. A few businesses closed. Few of my appointments been canceled due to the extreme weather, which is cool. But yeah, this on my block, down the street. But I was breaking this shit up here with my foot. Until next time, y'all. Take care of yourself. Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Until next time.